Snakes are elongated, limbless, carnivorous reptiles of the suborder Serpentis. The tiger is the largest living cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. Rabbits, also known as bunnies or bunny rabbits, are small mammals in the family Leporidae. Parrots, also known as pseudocines, are birds of the roughly 3. The pig, often called swine, hog, or domestic pig when distinguishing from other members of the genus Sus. The cheetah is a large cat native to Africa and central Iran. Gulls, or colloquially seagulls, are seabirds of the family Laridae in the suborder Lari. Squirrels are members of the family Sauridae, a family that includes small or medium-sized rodents. The llama is a domesticated South American camelid, widely used as a meat and pack animal by Indian cultures since the pre-Columbian. The hippopotamus, also called the hippo, common hippopotamus, or river hippopotamus. The domestic donkey is a hoofed mammal in the family Equidae. The turkey is a large bird in the genus. Corvus is a widely distributed genus of medium-sized to large birds in the family Corvidae. Crocodiles or true crocodiles are large semi-aquatic. Sheep or domestic sheep are domesticated, ruminant mammals typically kept as livestock. Elephantidae is a family of large, herbivorous proboscidean mammals collectively called elephants. Equidae is the taxonomic family of horses. The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. The chicken is a domesticated jungle fowl species, with attributes of wild species such as the wolf, also known as the gray wolf or gray wolf. The great round crane, also known as the African crown crane. Duck is the common name for numerous species of waterfowl in the family Anatidae. Cattle are large, domesticated, cloven-hooved, herbivores. Lizards are a widespread group of squamate reptiles, with over 7,000 species, ranging across the Indian peafowl, also known as the common peafowl, and blue peafowl. The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera native to Africa and India. It has a muscular, broad-chested body, short, rounded head, round ears. Pinnipeds, commonly known as seals, are deer or true deer-hoofed ruminant mammals forming the family Cervidae. The meerkat or suricate is a small mongoose found in southern Africa. It is characterized by a broad head. Rattus is a genus of muroid rodents, all typically called rats. Turtles are an order of reptiles known as testudines. Hyenas, or hyenas, are feliform carnivorous mammals of the family Hyenidae. With only 4 extant. The dog or domestic dog is a domesticated descendant of the wolf. Flamingos or flamingos A/FLMOZ/ are a type of wading bird in the family. The goat or domestic goat is a domesticated species of goat antelope typically kept as livestock. A rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino, is a member of any of the 5. A dolphin is an aquatic mammal within the infraorder Cetacea. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal belonging to the genus Giraffa. The horse is a domesticated, one-toed, hoofed mammal. It belongs to the taxonomic family A camel is an even-toed ungulate in the genus Camelus. Foxes are small to medium-sized, omnivorous mammals belonging to several genera. The giant panda, also known as the panda bear, is a bear species endemic to China.